So if you're dropping ultra flagship money on a device like the just announced Z Fold 8 Ultra, the absolute last thing you want to do is slap a cheap piece of plastic on it. But that leaves us with a massive problem. How do you actually protect a fragile foldable, especially that exposed hinge over here, without turning it into a heavy brick in your pocket? And I've tested countless foldable cases over the last few years, and finding that perfect balance of slimness and real world protection is incredibly rare if you ask me. But there's this one company who manages to do just that, and they surprise me every single year. This is the Benks Grand Combo ArmorGrid Air in this just so beautiful azure blue color option. And since we're going to be focusing entirely on just this one case today, we need to look closely at all the tiny details that Benks has packed up into this one case. Now, the name Grand Combo isn't just marketing fluff. It's a complete all-in-one survival kit for your Z Fold 8 Ultra. And we have these two non-functional units in black and white to showcase how the case fits and feels. And we'll be using the Z Fold 7 over here to showcase the magnetic wireless charging, because these devices are like 99% identical on the outside. Now, right out of the box, you're getting 360-degree coverage, but what really matters is the material that's being used here. A lot of brands throw around terms like carbon fiber and aramid fiber these days, but Benks uses officially licensed genuine Kevlar fiber. You can literally feel the premium difference in the hand. It has this incredibly matte finish that I personally look for in every single case that I use. Heck, I use this exact weave and same pattern on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. It adds a ton of grip, feels high-end, and repels fingerprints like a champ, and it basically adds zero bulk to your device. Now, the biggest failure point on most foldable cases is going to be the hinge. Some leave it completely exposed to scratches, and others use a massive clunky flap. Benks went with a magnetic auto closing TPU hinge guard over here. When you unfold the device, it seamlessly glides out of the way, and when you snap it shut, the magnets pull the guard right back over the spine. It's incredibly satisfying to see. They've also nailed the cutouts on this case. Instead of cheap, mushy covers, they left precise cutouts so you have zero obstruction to the fold's native clicky metal buttons and the fingerprint scanner on the sides over here. Plus, they managed to pack a 10-Newton magnetic array on the ultra-thin back, meaning this is fully MagSafe compatible for your wireless chargers, and it can also take advantage of those fast wireless charging speeds. And you can even attach all other magnetic accessories to the back of this device. But now, as always, I want to give you guys the honest truth. It's a fantastic case, but no tech accessory is going to be perfect for everyone. So let's talk about the pros and cons so you know exactly what you're going to be buying when you spend over $100 on this whole package. Now, for the pros, the Armor Air design is insanely thin. The genuine Kevlar feels incredibly premium, and having the Glass Warrior screen protector included right inside the box saves you the headache of buying one separately. And all these pieces work together to protect the screen, the frame of the device, the hinge in the back, as well as the back of the device from scratches and small minor drops. Now, for the cons, first and foremost, obviously this case is not going to be super ultra protective of your device. The main job of this case is going to be to protect your Z Fold 8 Ultra from scratches and small dings that could happen on a day-to-day basis. Also, because of the protective hinge flap, the phone won't lay 100% flat on a table when it's unfolded. It's a small trade-off for the hinge protection that you get with this case, but it's going to be definitely worth mentioning here. Another thing I would say is you really have to have a lot of patience when you're installing this case. You really have to make sure you align all the adhesive strips perfectly so it doesn't really shift in your pocket over time. And that's basically it. Me personally, I love this case. So at the end of the day, if you want peace of mind for your Z Fold 8 Ultra without ruining the sleek aesthetic that you paid for at the first place, the Benks Grand Combo is easily one of the top contenders on the market. The azure blue color gives it a super stealthy but unique vibe, if you ask me, and it stands out in a sea of basic black cases that you typically find out there. And I can't even tell you how many times people have come up to me to compliment me on this case that I use on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you want to pick up and support the channel at the same time, I've left my affiliate link and a 15% discount code just for you guys right at the top of the description box, as well as a pinned comment down below. Let me know down in the comments, are you team slim case or you like something bulky or rugged? Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one very soon. Later.